Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to Asunlocker solution. We are going to help you how to active the Telegram security for your Asunlocker account safety. First of all, you have to log in your Asunlocker. Then you can use the Asunlocker security also as a two-step security. Also, your order information all you will get on the Telegram automatically. And two-step security also better for Telegram for your Asunlocker account. First of all, log in your account from Asunlocker. You can see here that I have already logged in my account. Then you can see the option on connect telegram. Click on the connect telegram. Then search this telegram bot on your telegram. You can log in telegram on your mobile or desktop. I have already logged in my account on desktop. Then search in here on search option. You can see the telegram asunlocker.com info. Click on this. I have already connected, but I have unpaired my account just to help you how to active your new account. Then come in here. Then you can see the prayer code. Click here to start /start. If you are new, so you can see the start option automatically. Then click on the start option. Set to wrong information, please enter the prayer code. Enter prayer code. You can see the prayer code in here. Copy this code and paste in here. Please enter your username. That username you use to log in your account. My username I will enter here. You can see account prayer successfully. We can check our account balance from here. If we want to check our account balance, you can see our account balance, last time you order, last server order. You can see here the last server order list, order number, and last time you order list, and order number also. Very easily you can check it. Also, you can use the two-step security for your account. Go to your profile option. You can see here your name, my profile. Then you can see the telegram option. If you cannot the option, you can see like this. So select the telegram option, select telegram option, and select the send file, send replay code completion, and then the submit. Now you can check your security activated or not. Log out and then login try. You can see the verification security activated, and all code has been sent to telegram automatically instant 1552. You can see here the code, your login verification code. Submit. Login success information also you can see here, your IP number and login from everything. Thanks for watching my video, and I hope this video will be helpful for you, and you can use our telegram service and connect the telegram two-step security. Thanks for watching my video, and thanks for using Asunlocker.